Here are solutions to homework set number 6 for ECE 476-676 Advanced Embedded. This homework set builds on homework set number 5, where we programmed a mastermind game using a keyboard input. This one adds touchscreen. So here's what it should look like. Well, one option what it looks like. Game starts out by generating a random number. This is a 4-digit number with numbers between 1 and 5. I'll take a guess with a touchscreen, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. Tells me the key, all 4 numbers in the key match my guess, or in the guess. None are in the right spot. So you could try 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 numbers in the right spot. The other 2 numbers are correct, but wrong spot. Keep guessing until I get them all. With this, I can input a number. If I change my mind, I can go back one. Not a very good guess. That's the game of Mastermind. To program that, here's kind of how I did it. To include the touchscreen routines, you need to include GT911, define the I2C port for the touchscreen. Here's the command touch, and then initialize the touchscreen. I'm going to have one touch point at 50 Hz refresh rate. I'll have a couple subroutines. This places a button, like the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, I've got a 7x7 display. Those little X's you see. So this is 7, 7, and this places a button at location XY and the label. To draw the keyboard, I will, for 7x7 keyboard, here's the scaling, how large each button is in the X direction, Y direction. Draw these lines. The lines are just kind of for my sanity, so I know where the buttons are. And then place the button. I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clear, enter at X location, Y location. Y is 6, 0, 0 is up here. This is 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6. There's the label. To read the keyboard, it's going to lock up until I tap the key and then return the XY value. So here's the scaling in the X and Y direction. I'm going to read the keypad and keep reading it until I touch the screen. Once I touch the screen, read the XY location. Wait until I release. So right now it is waiting until I touch the key. If I touch it and then release, that was a 3. Touch, then release, that was a 4. For a new game, it clears the display, draws the box in white, says Mastermind, displays what the key was, if you're cheating, generates a new key, draws the keyboard as a 7x7, displays this. Another routine is to display. This is my guess. This is the round, my guess, and how many points I got. That would be like guess 2, my guess, and how many points. For scoring, same as last week. If the key's number matches my guess in the right spot, 10 points. If the key's number is in the guess but wrong spot, 1 point. Add them all up. And then the main loop is keep playing until I get to 40 points. I'll read the XY location of the keypad. If I hit the last row, down here, it then does something, ignores tapping the screen over here. Anything that's not the last row, ignore that. That's with an if statement. So if I hit the last row, then I'll see what the value is. Spots 1 through 5, take the old value times 10, plus that value. So like here, the old value of the guess is 34, plus 1 is 341 times 10 plus 2, 3412. Enter. If I hit this spot, 5, I just divide by 10. So if I have to guess 1, 2, 3, 3, clear, that's divide by 10, integer divide, clears out the guess, digit by digit. And then score the points, score the guess, print it, display it, increase the next round. If I have less than 40 points, display it. If I have 40 points, game's over. So that's the game. And the game ends when I get 40 points. That's homework set number 6 for Advanced Embedded Touchscreens.